Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another one of today's videos. So today I'll be showing you some of my Star Wars Lego sets. But before we do that, I've got two things to say. One, I want to give a huge shout out to Skullcracker22. He's one of my best friends. You'll see him if you go on his channel. You'll see a bunch of anime stuff and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and second, never mind, yeah. We can hop right into it. But so first I'm going to show you, for those of you who have seen Mandalorian, I want to show you this. That's IG-11 from Star Wars. I bought it for like 20 bucks or something like that. And I want to see if the prices will go up when I get in my 20s or something. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, we've got Mando ship. Got Mando ship there. So I'll give you a tour of that. Okay, so one second. So we've got like the whole ship. Everything, it's so cool. This is his old ship, not the new one. So I'll start off with the top. I love this part because it's really cool. Because he has this little escape pod. It's set right here. But my favorite thing to do is I have this little mini cruiser and I just set it right in here. See? So now his escape pod became his little mini ship. It's pretty cool. So then we have the inside of this. I'll take that off. The inside. See Mando in behind. There we go. Second off, we've got Mando's bedroom in there. Mando's bedroom. Here, it's like his little plastic. Then, in here, we've got the people, like how they can get frozen in that, whatever's called stuff. Like, pretty cool. He's got some compartments that goes into. Then, the other side's got some stock for missiles. And yeah. So that is not quite it yet. So as you can see on top of the ship, we have IG-11. As those of you who have watched the show, he never misses a shot. It's pretty cool if you think about it, because like, just imagine like a droid or like robots now that could like let's just say for like World War, like they could just grab those bots and they could like never miss a shot. It's pretty sick. And oh yeah, there's one more thing. If you open this top of it, so you see. Okay, there we go. So we've got Mando holding Grogu. Got him there. I want you guys to keep track of all the Mandalorians I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, for those of you who remembered that, write it down in the comments and make sure to subscribe if you can. So, now I'll be showing you Boba Fett ship. It's pretty sick because it has this like, so it has this. It's like his little car. So like, it's just like sits on it. It just like, look, it's just like, just sits on it. It's pretty sick, in my opinion. But it's also got some other stuff. So as you can see here, and you open this up, Boba Fett's in there. He's got his little blaster and everything. And also there's like, when you open up this, that can open, you know, when I showed you earlier in Mando's ship, there's another one of these like bodies. It's different than all the other ones. Here, look. I'll take them out right now and show you guys all. Okay, so these are all of them. They're pretty sick. And if you guys want this, make sure to, like, in my opinion, like, they're not that as expensive as you think they are. They're, like, not really, though. So that is pretty much it for Boba Fett's ship. And now I'll be moving on to the next Lego set. Okay, here we go. So, here, we've got Mando's little speeder. I like it because, like, it's because, like, you could see he's got little Grogu in the back here. He's got his little blaster right there. And he's just, like, just chilling. It's pretty cool. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, back to one of my other personal favorites. Giant Grogu. It's pretty sick. Like, you can move his head. You can move his ears up and down. You can even move his mouth. Look. It's pretty sick. And this is all out of Lego. Like, it took me so long to do that. Then we've got this. We've got another mini version. Here it is and all this. So here, I'll read it. So it says, the child, homeland unknown, species unknown, age 50. So this tiny guy is 50 years old. That's pretty crazy. Like, if you think about it, no baby's 50 years old. So that's pretty weird. Height 337 millimeters. Primary associate, the Mandalorian. Favorite toy, Razor Crest shifter knob, which is this thing right here. It's actually that. So, like, you know how when you're in a car, there's like on top of like where you shift gears and stuff, there's always like that little ball. He'd take it off and always play with it. In my opinion, it's like, it's absolutely hilarious. I can't resist it. It's so funny. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Some of them I haven't built yet. First off, we've got AT-AT versus Tauntaun Microfighter. Pretty sick. Comes with Luke Skywalker, AT-AT driver, the back. See this. Next one, I'm probably gonna build this tomorrow. So it's from the Mandalorian. Here. It's like, pretty sick. And so, yeah. Oh yeah, I've also got a little BB-8 big stuffy. I've got Grogu stuffy. It's pretty sick. And, well, I think that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, notifications, and leave a like. Thanks, guys. See ya.